Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if iMessage is not working on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, iMessage is not working on your iPhone, then here are the fixes, various type solution. Apply any one of them. The first one is launch your Safari browser and here type Apple status. Go to your browser and type Apple status. First make sure that Apple status means iMessage's server status is available. Here type Apple status. Search and open first result, Apple system status, and here you can see easily find out your iMessage's service status is available or not. Look for it, you can see available. If you found it unavailable or any other sign, then wait for server is up. So check iMessage's server is up or down. This is the first and initial workaround. If your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. The next one is swipe down your iPhone and here turn off your cellular data or mobile data, and again after some times turn on cellular data. Turn on or off your cellular data or mobile data. The next one is go to settings of your iPhone and here go to apps and here scroll down and tap on messages settings. Here make sure that iMessages is duly turned on your iPhone. If you found it off mode, then turn on iMessages from your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset again. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID. Tap on reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode and again tap on reset network settings and follow on a screen instruction to complete the resetting process of your network and check whether your iMessage is working or not. If not, one more fixes is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to your profile icon and sign out from your iCloud. Tap on sign out and again after some times re-sign in your Apple account. So sign out and sign in your Apple account in your iPhone and check whether iMessage is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is tap on settings of your iPhone again. Here tap on general settings and here tap on iPhone storage and make sure that sufficient storage is available in your iPhone. If you found insufficient memory, then delete some unnecessary unused files in your iPhone. So release extra space to run iMessages properly in your system. The next one is again tap on settings. Here go to general settings and tap on software update, and if any update iOS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of apps not working properly in your system. One more workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings of your iPhone and here go to general settings and here look for the option date and time settings. Tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically time is duly enabled. Your iMessage is not working, definitely be fixed.